my project is to work with unaccompanied minors. Catholic Charities has some funding to work with detained children. We have 6 centers in Houston, but they only represent half of them, so 3 of them in their master calendar hearing and immigration court. I'm taking care of the rest of the centers, so 3 centers, and I'm also wanting to really build up a pro bono force in Houston to take care of the rest of the children that are non-detained. Because for the most part, the Office of Refugee Resettlement only detains children for a few weeks while they're reunified with family members or family friends, and then they're supposed to attend court after that. But once they're out of the detention center, then they don't get really a lot of legal help. They don't have access to an attorney, and so the kids that are reunified in Houston, that's who I would be helping. I'm really trying to get them to come to our charlas for the public and come to hear our presentation. Usually if we can't offer them some kind of relief, and they don't want to be helped, but if we can, then I go to court with them. I'll do the entire merits hearing and help them out in that way. My inspiration for this came from being at the University of Houston Law Center, who has a great immigration clinic, and my very first case was an asylum case with children, and it just really touched my heart, and I wanted to be able to help them. And even though I couldn't see the case all the way through because I was, at the end of that semester I started some other projects, I did represent a child during an asylum hearing, and he was able to get asylum here in the U.S., and that was probably my best experience in law school. And just working at the detention centers and seeing these kids and what they go through just to come to the U.S. all by themselves, I mean, it's amazing, and if I can, I want to help them.